Hello everyone, I just wanted to share a little video with you about my car, truck, whichever you prefer. I have a 2017 Yukon XL SLT 2017. It's currently got 80,000 miles, so the vehicle warranty has expired on this truck, and ever since then it's been one problem after another. I am just heading out of the dealership here in Joliet, Illinois, Darcy GMC. I just brought my vehicle in. The check engine light came on. The transmission wasn't working very good. The gears were slipping. And it turns out that the vehicle needs a brand new transmission. I forgot how they described it, but it sounded really, really bad. I mean, there was like 3 or 4 things that had malfunctioned in the transmission. All kinds of gears were, I don't know how they described it, to be honest with you. But needless to say, the warranty is no longer valid on this truck. It's a 2017. The truck is 4 years old, and the warranty does not cover it. So they gave me a quote. It was approximately $5,700. Right here you can see it. Maybe it's not too clear. But recommend replacing the transmission with a GM 3-year 100,000 mile warranty. So $5,100 plus taxes, it came out to be about $5,700 for a brand new transmission at the dealership, and the transmission's only good for 3 years. So it seems like that's the way professional grade is these days. I really like this truck. This is my favorite truck, my favorite car. I love the way it looks. I love the way it sits and drives. But obviously the manufacturing is built so that it doesn't last. A transmission is only good for 3 years, a brand new transmission. This one gave up in 4 years. 80,000 miles, 4 years, the transmission is gone. And now I have to repair it. It's going to cost me over $5,000 to repair it. And this is probably like the 3rd time I've brought this truck to the dealership. There's other problems which I expect. I think like one of the wheel bearing hubs was damaged. That was another $2,400 out of pocket. The navigation antenna on the top over here went out. That needed to be replaced. So the quality isn't as great as I would hope. I definitely wouldn't say that it's professional grade, just like in the commercials. That's one of the main reasons why I was really motivated to get a GMC over a Chevy. But to be honest with you, not very thrilled. $5,000 for a transmission, and the car isn't even over 4 years old. Not what I expected, to be honest. Other cars, like Japanese cars, they last for much longer than this. Very disappointed. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Beautiful truck. It's the longest lasting vehicle in manufacturing consecutively, but definitely they're not built to last. I think the Suburbans, the Yukons are beginning to lose touch, and now they're more interested in selling parts. So just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm gonna have to take it somewhere else because obviously really disappointed, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the truck or if I'm gonna sell it. But yeah, bad transmission, under 5 years.